My people, my people, my people, my people, my people, my people. Hey, so as far as Air Jordan 1s that have released this year, as far as like the box presentations go, I think that these have probably got to be on more of the cooler presentations that we've actually received. And honestly too, I know everyone's kind of been like having mixed feelings about them, but these are actually nice. Honestly, let's take a look at them, shall we? Let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy. It is your kid in that front. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very, very blessed day. Now in today's video, as you can tell from the title, as you can tell from the intro, and as you can tell literally from the reason you clicked on this video from the thumbnail, I am bringing you guys another sneaker review, but not just another sneaker review. I am bringing you guys an early sneaker review on an upcoming Air Jordan 1 that is set to release for May 25th of this month. And the sneaker that we're going to be taking a look at is the Air Jordan 1 in the Heritage colorway. Now, the community, I see you guys having mixed feelings about this. Some people are saying, oh, I like these a lot. Some people are saying, I don't like these a lot. I am a fan of them, which is why I did go ahead and actually get them early for you guys. The only thing I will say is though, from official images or from what I've actually seen, is I'm not the biggest fan of the white. However though, when we go ahead and actually dive into it and actually take a look, maybe that will change in hand. So let's go ahead and actually dive into them right now. Let's get it. First though, before we actually go straight into actually diving into these Air Jordan 1 Heritages, I need to tell you guys I really appreciate the love and the support that you guys have shown the channel. Seriously, I think we're about to hit 1,600. We're very close to that 2K milestone, and I just appreciate y'all. I want you to know I really do appreciate you. Seriously, like, your guys' love and support really allows me just to keep pushing and keep persevering, and like, I just do not take that for granted, and I'm very, very blessed for that. So thank you so much for that. Also, if this is your first time checking out any one of my videos, or this is your first time actually stopping by the channel, I would love for you to stick around. So if you haven't already, make sure you do like this video, you do subscribe, turn the bell notification on. That way, anytime I drop a video for you, you're alerted and you can actually tap in immediately to what I have to go ahead and show you. So right now, we're gonna go ahead and dive into these Air Jordan 1 Heritage. Before I do, I always like to be color coordinated with the product I'm reviewing, and I always like to match it with matching headbands. So we're gonna get a headband on and we're gonna dive into these babies right now. Let's go. All right, and just like that, we do got our Air Jordan 1 headband on. Ooh, this one's actually kind of tight. I haven't worn this one in a minute, to be honest. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the knife right here, and we're gonna cut into this box. So I did go ahead and actually pick these up over on this secondary market. I did go ahead and get these over on Go. And man, the price on these were not bad at all. Like, if you look over on the secondary market, these are actually going for, I think, maybe like $20 to $30 above retail. And yeah, these aren't bad at all. I think Air Jordan 1s just honestly aren't, I don't know, I feel like the demand for them is like going low-key down. I even made a video when I did the Air Jordan 1 Dark Marine Blue. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. And I kind of talked about how Air Jordan 1s are starting to become like acquirable again. So if you look over on secondary markets and you're interested, I will go ahead and actually leave a description where you can find these at. Oh my gosh, look at the box here. Let's go ahead and put these to the side right there with this knife. And starting off with the box right here. Dude, look at the box, dude. Yo, look at the box right here. The box is straight up white. White and black. Normally for the Air Jordan 1, it's usually like your box is just black, and then it's also, you do have your red Nike logo right there. Actually, let me go ahead and actually give you a comparison. Hold on. Alrighty, so these are your normal boxes that your Air Jordan 1 comes in, right? As you can see, you do have all black, and then right in the middle, you do have your Nike logo in white, or excuse me, in red. And then you look at the box right here, right? And the whole box is just white, and then the actual Nike logo is done in red. That's actually really neat too. And it's actually a very, very flat too. What's the material doesn't feel like, you know, like it's like sticky or anything. It's actually flat, so that's actually nice. So let's go ahead and actually read the size description right here. Size description is Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, white university red and black. And the size I did get was a 10.5. When it comes to Air Jordan 1s, if you've never owned a pair of Air Jordans before, I recommend going true to size. If you do go a half size down as well, it's not gonna go ahead and hurt you, but go true to size and you will be fine. If you do have any more questions about sizing, let me know down in the description down below or in the comments down below, and I will go ahead and actually answer them to the best that I possibly can for you. Let me turn this around for you guys and actually show you the size tag right there. And I like this box though. This box is really clean. I like to see them do something different with it. Like, these are really nice. So let me go ahead and actually turn this around for you guys, give you guys a different perspective on the overview right here. Let's go ahead and actually take this lid off. And oh, nice, you got the little lid in there, as you can see. Let me go ahead and actually push it. You got nothing crazy, you got just your regular standard tissue paper. Let's go ahead and pull these back. Wait, hold on, psych. Like I said, I did get these from Goat, so here's the Goat sticker, and then here is the verification right there. So let's go ahead and actually pull these back. 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Hey, the red actually is a little bit different, to be honest. The red, okay, now I see why they're all white. Let's go ahead and take out the left. Oh my gosh, if I can, hold on. So here's the left right here. Hey, these aren't bad though. I ain't gonna lie, these are not. I don't know why a lot of people in me talking about like they're. I do see what people are saying about, you know, there is a bunch of white on them, but other than that though, they are nice though. You do come with 2 laces. You do get white, and then you do get red right there, and it does come standard in your black lace is right there. Let me go ahead and pull out the right pair for you, and let's go ahead and actually put these back, put everything up, and then we will take a look at these Heritage ones right now. All right, so boom, here we go right here. Here are the Air Jordan 1 Heritage. I do like them though. I do like them. I think the hit of white definitely goes ahead and kind of, it is a little bit too much. They could have laid off on that, but still it is nice. They kind of remind me a little bit, just a little bit of the Air Jordan 1 Chicago's without the, you know, all the whole, like the red, where the red is, or where the white is red. They kind of remind me just a little bit, and they also do remind me of the Air Jordan 1, the Travis Scott, the Fragments that came out last year. But we're gonna go take a little deep into them right now, so we can talk about it. So let's talk about them. So starting from the back, starting from the outsole, you do have an all red outsole. You do have your Nike logo right in the middle right there. Then as you come up, you do have your midsole, and it is done in white, which does go all the way around the shoe as well. Coming back up, then you go ahead and you actually put these laces out of here. Then you go up to the side panels right here, and the side panels are done all in white. See, I feel like that's probably what people are like, you know what, that's what throws off the shoe, but I still think it's really unique though. These are interesting. Then you get your Heritage red swoosh right there. Coming back at the back of the heel, you do have your red right there. Then coming back up to kind of like the collar, you have a black collar right there. Coming to around the toe box is, rather than it being kind of usually like, you know, like white, I thought these were gonna, I thought honestly when I first saw them they were gonna be white like as on the side. It actually is done in red. It is nice right there. You get your default black laces, then you go up and you do see your nylon tongue right there as you come up. Then you also do have your Nike Air right there in the stitch red, as you can see. And these are nice, man. These are actually nice. I do like them. Yeah, sure, there's a lot of red, but they're different though. They are different. Let me go ahead and actually pull out the shoe tree. Go ahead and you see the insole right there. You see this, it's an all white insole, and then you do have your Nike Air in red right there. These are nice though. These are nice. Coming to the back, or coming around to where the side is again, you do have the Air, the Wings logo, excuse me, that goes right there. It is in black. These are for sure nice. There's definitely hits of the Chicago vibe in here I'm getting from these. I think that these are going to be one that people are probably just going to be like, you know what, I like them, I'll buy them. If I don't, it is what it is, you know. But these are nice though. I think that with them giving us extra laces is really cool too. So comment down below, let me know what you think about these Air Jordan 1 Heritages. Let me go ahead and give you guys the right there, kind of because they don't have the laces. So let me know what you think about them. I think they are nice for sure, and it's just crazy to see, like, literally when you go to the secondary markets, like the demand for them for the price they're going for, it's not crazy. And especially for them, like, not even being like released yet, you know what I'm saying? Like, it is kind of crazy though, but they are nice though nonetheless. So like I said, comment down below and let me know what you think about these Air Jordan 1 Heritage. I'm not gonna go ahead and actually break away to an on-feet review. Before I go ahead and do, guys, I'm gonna give you guys kind of a closer perspective. So take a look at them right now. What do you think about these Air Jordan 1 Heritage? Is this something that when they go ahead and release May 25th, will you be going after? Are they a pass? Like I said, I mean, I kind of do see the Chicago hits in there for sure. I mean, they're not the same. They're definitely not the same as the Chicago ones, but they do have similar elements in there. So I think maybe because of that reason, they will probably fly. And then, you know, you got people who are gonna want to buy them for resale purposes and all that as well. But even if you look over on the secondary markets, you know, like GOAT, where I got mine from, they're not going for maybe $20 to $30 above retail. So, you know, I mean, they're different. I like them. You know, definitely gonna go ahead and put them on feet for you guys. So let me know what you think about them right now. Comment down below and let me know. So ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be the review over the Air Jordan 1 Heritage. Like I said, the release date for these will be May 25th. If anything does happen on release date, because you know it possibly can, I will go ahead and actually keep you guys up to date. Definitely go ahead and follow me over on Instagram if you haven't already. Also, keep yourself up to date over on the community poll. I try to go ahead and keep you guys up to date with just like sneakers and anything sneaker related news as best as I possibly can. So like always, appreciate the love and support that you guys really do show me. We're on that way to hitting ourselves that 2K milestone, and I just can't wait to hit even more milestones with you guys. So like I said, this has been your boy, this has been your kid. Remember, there's only ever going to be one you. Be the best you. These are the Air Jordan 1 Heritage, and until next time, guys, I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
Gems with the heat.